Are you looking for jackfruit health benefits and side effects? You must know that jackfruit is an amazing fruit that has been gaining a lot of appreciation and positive reviews from vegetarians, and nowadays people are becoming more interested in this large fruit. Jackfruit is one of the huge fruit, and it is also a national fruit of Bangladesh. Its hard skin and the fleshy yellow color look amazing. It looks weird for some people, but after knowing its miraculous benefits, you never ignore this fruit. Jackfruit contains many tremendous vitamins and components that can kill various body diseases, and scientists revealed it as the most powerful cancer killer. So let's have a look at the article that is dedicated to jackfruit health benefits and side effects. Jackfruit seed health benefits. Jackfruit is a single fruit that contains the factors that are difficult to find in a vegan product. It is a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin B6, riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, and several minerals like zinc, iron, potassium, magnesium, copper, phosphorus, calcium, selenium, and many other required minerals and components that are important for our body. If you consume only 1 cup of jackfruit, you can get all the essential minerals in a single day. It has been announced after researching on thousands of people in the United States of America that colon cancer is one of the dangerous types of cancer that is killing people rapidly. Boosts immunity. As we said before, that jackfruit has a couple of minerals and nutrients available that our body always demands. If you are a vegetarian and do not even think about eating meat products, then jackfruit can become a great substitute for you. It contains vitamin B and B6 that is hard to find in any fruit or vegetable, but jackfruit is an exception. Only a little amount of jackfruit can do magical effects on your body. The antioxidants work great for the immune system and give strength to your immune system. If you have a little knowledge of science, then you must know the basic effects of strong immunity. People do many efforts to make it strong naturally or by taking supplements, but jackfruit can do it naturally. Good for digestive system. Jackfruit is a rich source of vitamin C and fiber, which makes your digestive system healthy. If you have any digestion troubles, then you must start eating jackfruit regularly. If you are fighting with constipation or weak digestion, then also jackfruit would be helpful for you, and it is far better than taking those herbal pills or powders. People spend a lot of money to keep their digestive tract healthy. Good for skin. Jackfruit is rich in iron, vitamin C, vitamin B, and vitamin E, so these all are needed for a good and healthy skin tone. It also makes your hair strong, and if you are fighting with any beauty disorders like acne, pimples, or anything else, then eating jackfruit can be a good decision for you. Work as a great colon cleanser. This delicious and beneficial fruit works as a great colon cleanser. If you have trouble with constipation, eating too much junk food can produce toxic effects on your colon. If you eat only a small bowl of jackfruit, you will be amazed to see the positive results within a few days. Naturally protects the body. Jackfruit contains many tremendous minerals that protect your overall health. Even eating jackfruit on a regular basis can eliminate several body issues and provide strength to your body. It is also used to make Chinese medicines, and people love to take natural medicine rather than other medicines that have side effects or adverse effects on your body. Jackfruit prevent cancer. Phytonutrients. Is jackfruit a cancer killer? This nutrient is beneficial to treat first-stage cancer, and if you know about your issue, you can easily treat this via eating jackfruit. The experts have proved that there are hundreds of phytonutrients available, and all have some special kind of ability to treat cancer.